showing you how to get free Robux. So what you're gonna need to do is you wanna double click the 3 Robux sign, right? And you wanna press inspect. It's gonna take you to this page on the side of your Robux. Then it says how much the Robux amount is. So I'm gonna double tap on how much Robux. Now let's give myself 2,126 Robux. Then you're gonna press confirm. Then this is how much Robux you want, right? So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to settings. And this is a hack, so comment down below if this works. So if you have computer, this is only for computer. So if you have computer, you're gonna go to billing at the very bottom. Then you're gonna go to Robux. See, like this is a hack and it works. And then this is how much Robux you're gonna get. So I typed in how much Robux I was gonna get, and then once you press redeem, you're free to go. I'm not gonna press redeem just yet, but yeah. Or if you want to do something like this, go to RBLX.gum, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that, and you see this? You go to Robuxx.gum, so it says I have 1 Robux. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start, and they know my username, so we're gonna just press OK. And look at this. So all of these that you can do, you can withdraw some to your account. You need 5 RS to join the group. You need 7 RS. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter 12. Aha, and that's where it gets you. So then you're going to put in 226, right? 2,126, right? Press enter, and it says no, not enough funds. Then what you're going to do is refresh the page. Then you're going to type it again. And then press enter. And it says that again. So then you exit out of it. See? So this is what I was trying to tell you. This is a hack. And you can do it with RB Roblox Land. Like of your Robux. Here we go. I'm going to show you this. So then we're going to link my account. So then, yes, I want Robux. Block notifications. They're going to put in your username. We're going to link my account. And here we go. It's logged into my account. So this is how much Robux people are getting right now. So, right now, this is how much Robux is in stock. Now, this is how much Robux that we want to get. So, we're going to withdraw it. Then you have a digital gift card. Now, I don't have a gift card at any time, but this is stocked. So, we're going to press withdraw. Then we're going to go to this, and that is the wrong username that they put, but it's totally fine. Then you have to do offers to get the Robux. So go to offers and you'll get 65k Robux. And then daily rewards, and then you'll see where you're gonna go. And like literally this costs 1 Robux. But if you want to get a lot of Robux, I would suggest if you complete 50 offers or just complete 1. But I highly recommend if you complete 1 offer. So let's do 1 offer. So like if it doesn't work, refresh the page, type in a different one, and you're going to type green, and this should pop up. Like, okay, so like Robux that green, you're going to go all the way down. You see this? You can codes. And there we go. So then you exit out of the page. Then you want to exit out here. I don't know why I'm in there. And then boom, you got all those offers and you have all of this Robux. See you guys later. Hopefully this worked for you guys. Bye.